In this video, we're going to talk about 7 bodyweight exercises that you need to build muscle fast. Yes, you heard it right. No gym membership required, no weights, just add your own body weight. These exercises will not only help you build muscle, but also improve your overall fitness and athleticism. So without any further ado, let's dive in. Number 1, push-ups. Push-ups are a classic example that targets your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. Start with your hands shoulder width apart, your feet together, and your body in a straight line. Lower yourself down to the ground by bending your elbows, then push yourself back up to the starting position. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps, depending on your fitness level. Push-ups are a great exercise for building upper body strength and endurance. By keeping your body in a straight line throughout the movement, you also engage your core muscles, helping you to improve your overall stability. Number 2, pull-ups. Pull-ups are one of the most effective exercises for building upper body strength. They target your back, biceps, and shoulders. Grab onto a pull-up bar with your palms facing away from you, your hands shoulder width apart, and your arms fully extended. Pull yourself up until your chin is above the bar, then slowly lower yourself back down. Aim for 3 sets of 5 to 10 reps, depending on your fitness level. If you're new to pull-ups, you can start with assisted pull-ups using a resistance band or a machine. Pull-ups are a great exercise for improving your grip strength and overall upper body power. Number 3, lunges. Lunges are a great exercise for targeting your legs and glutes. Start by standing with your feet hip width apart, then step forward with one foot and lower your body until your front knee is bent at a 90-degree angle. Your back knee should be hovering just above the ground. Push through your front heel to stand back up, then repeat with the other leg. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps per leg. Lunges are a functional exercise that mimics many real-life movements, such as walking and climbing stairs. By isolating one leg at a time, you also improve your balance and coordination. Number 4, squats. Squats are another great exercise for targeting your legs and glutes. Start by standing with your feet hip width apart, then lower your body down as if you're sitting back into a chair. Keep your weight in your heels, and make sure your knees don't go past your toes. Push through your heels to stand back up, then repeat. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Squats are a compound exercise that target multiple muscle groups at once, including your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and core. They are a great exercise for improving your lower body strength and power. To make the exercise more challenging, you can add weight by holding dumbbells or a barbell across your shoulders. Number 5, dips. Dips are a great exercise for targeting your triceps, chest, and shoulders. Start by grabbing onto parallel bars, then lift your body up so that your arms are fully extended. Bend your elbows to lower your body down, keeping your elbows tucked in and your chest up. Push through your hands to raise yourself back up to the starting position. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Dips are a challenging exercise that require upper body strength and stability. By targeting multiple muscle groups at once, they're an efficient way to build muscle and improve your overall upper body strength. Number 6, plank. The plank is a great exercise for targeting your core muscles. Start by getting into a push-up position, then lowering yourself down onto your forearms. Keep your body in a straight line from your head to your heels and engage your core muscles by pulling your belly button towards your spine. Hold the position for 30 to 60 seconds, then rest and repeat for 3 sets. Planks are a simple but effective exercise that can help you improve your core strength and stability. By holding your body in a static position, you also improve your endurance and mental toughness. Number 7, burpees. Burpees are a full body exercise that targets multiple muscle groups at once. Start by standing with your feet shoulder width apart, then drop down into a squat and place your hands on the ground. Kick your feet back into a plank position, then lower your body down into a push-up. Push yourself back up, then jump your feet back up to your hands and stand up. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Burpees are a high-intensity exercise that can help you build muscle and improve your overall fitness. By combining multiple movements into one exercise, they're an efficient way to get a full-body workout. So there you have it, 7 bodyweight exercises that you need to build muscle fast. These exercises are simple, effective, and can be done anywhere, anytime without any equipment. Incorporate them into your workout routine and you'll be on your way to building a stronger, more muscular body in no time. Remember to always listen to your body and progress at your own pace. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.